Hey Visioneers, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create professional product images for free using Mocker AI. Whether you're selling online, running ads, or just want clean photos for your shop, Mocker AI can generate amazing product mockups in seconds. No expensive photo shoots or editing required. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mocker.ai. It's free to try and super easy to use. Sign up with Google or email, and once you're in, you'll see the upload page. Now, step 1 is to upload your product photo. This can be a simple picture taken on your phone. Just make sure it's clear and well lit. Mocker AI will automatically remove the background, so don't worry if it looks plain. Step 2, choose your background style. This is where the magic happens. Mocker gives you multiple AI-generated scenes for your product. For example, if you upload a coffee mug, it can place it on a cafe table, a wooden desk, or even in a lifestyle setting like a cozy kitchen. The AI generates realistic shadows and reflections, so it looks like you actually staged a professional shoot. Step 3, customize your images. You can edit prompts to match your brand. For example, modern minimalist background with white marble, outdoor picnic setting with natural sunlight, luxury desk setup with golden accents. Just type your idea and Mocker will generate unique mockups. Step 4, download your results. When you're happy with the images, click download and save them in high resolution. These are perfect for your website, Amazon, Shopify store, or social media ads. Pro tip, always create multiple variations. For one product, try 4 to 5 different styles: lifestyle, minimalist, colorful, premium. This way you can test which design gets the most clicks and sales. And the best part, you don't need Photoshop or a professional camera. With Mocker AI, you can turn a simple photo into a high-quality marketing asset in seconds. So to recap, 1. Upload your product photo. 2. Let Mocker AI remove the background. 3. Choose or generate creative scenes. 4. Download and use your professional mockups. And that's it. You've just learned how to create amazing product images with Mocker AI. Fast, free, and professional. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools, and comment below what product you'd like me to try in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.